You're scrolling through Netflix at 11 p.m. You hover over 3 different shows: a crime thriller, a comedy special, and then a sci-fi series. And finally, you pick the sci-fi show, watch 2 episodes, and then think, this is exactly what I needed to watch. Here's what just happened that you didn't see. Netflix recorded every single move, every hover, every pause, every time you almost clicked but didn't. And right now, a data analyst is looking at patterns from millions of Netflix users just like you, figuring out why you hesitated, why you chose what you chose, and what to show you next. That thumbnail you saw? It was specifically chosen for you. Someone else seeing the same show got a completely different thumbnail. Welcome to the hidden world of data analysts, people who are literally shaping your digital life one decision at a time. Now, being a data analyst is not about sitting in front of Excel sheets all day like some number crunching robot. Think of data analysts as behavior detectives. They're studying you, not in a creepy way, but to understand user patterns so that they can help businesses make better decisions. The businesses they work for. That food delivery that arrived 10 minutes earlier than expected, a data analyst discovered drivers getting stuck at the same red light at lunch. They analyzed other routes, ran the numbers, and recommended a faster route. Your hot pizza is hot thanks to someone analyzing traffic patterns. The truth is, data analysts spend only 20 to 30% of their time actually analyzing data. So, what are they doing the rest of the time? Okay, let's understand the complete workflow of what data analysts actually do through a real-life example for better understanding. Suppose you're a data analyst working for a food delivery app. Your manager rushes in, yelling, "Orders have dropped 15% in the last 2 weeks. Find out why. You're losing a lot of money." As a data analyst, the first thing you do is understand the problem and ask specific questions like, is the drop 15% across all cities or just at particular locations? Are they new customers or are they returning customers? Mobile app or website? Did we change anything? Any app update, pricing, delivery fees, or anything else at all? Just like a doctor doesn't prescribe medicine without understanding symptoms, a data analyst needs to understand both the symptoms and the root cause to give the best possible solution. So step 1 is understanding the problem and asking the right questions. A wrong analysis might cost a company millions of dollars. One company nearly lost $2 million because an analyst analyzed the wrong segment. They thought it was a pricing issue when it was actually a technical bug affecting only Android users. Step 2 is data collection. This step is where you gather evidence from everywhere. You check the order history from all the databases. You check the user behavior logs showing every click. You check customer complaints, payment records, delivery performance data, and much more. Think of it like gathering puzzle pieces from different boxes to see the complete picture. Step 3 is data cleaning. Now, data cleaning is the task which takes 50 to 60% of your time. Raw data is really messy. At times, it shows same order recorded 3 times. It shows dates in different formats, for example. It sometimes shows missing values. Someone ordered 500 pizzas at a corporate event, which is like an outlier. Cities spelled wrong, Mumbai instead of Mumbai, for example. So data cleaning requires removing duplicates, handling missing values, filtering outliers, and much more. It's not something exciting or glamorous, but it's absolutely essential. Step 4 is the actual analysis. This is where the real detective work starts, and you start connecting all the dots. You figure out things like, oh, okay, orders dropped in Mumbai and Delhi only. Only Android version 10.1 users are affected by this issue. This specific issue started on March 1st and after the app update, for example. Users are only dropping at the checkout and not browsing at all. You run tests, you compare before and after data and discover that the apply coupon button isn't working on certain Android devices only. Users try applying discounts, nothing happens, and they leave frustrated. Finally, mystery solved and something to cheer. The next step is data visualization. Your manager doesn't want spreadsheets with 50,000 rows, so you create visual dashboards in Tableau or Power BI to tell the story of what happened. These visuals tell stories in seconds that numbers take hours to convey, making your and your manager's life easier. And the final step is recommendations and action. You present suggestions like the 15% drop is from an Android bug affecting coupon redemption. Roll back the update, fix it, and re-release. Our maximum tolerable recovery time to resolve this issue is 3 days. If it exceeds this, we risk losing 2 crore rupees per week. You see, as a data analyst, you just recommended ways to save millions in revenue. So the data analyst's workflow is A. Identify problems by asking the right questions. B. Collect data from multiple sources. C. Clean messy data, the bulk of the work. D. Analyze patterns to find root causes. E. Create visual dashboards. And F. Provide actionable recommendations. 85% of business leaders actually say data analytics improves efficiency and performance and revenue. Without data insights, businesses are left to guesswork, and guessing costs millions. The data analytics field is booming right now, and jobs are projected to grow by 14% each year through 2030. Faster than most careers. India's data analytics industry alone is set to reach $118 billion by 2026. The best part is that data analysts are needed everywhere. Finance, e-commerce, healthcare, technology, retail, literally every industry you can think of. The earning potential is excellent as well. Entry-level data analysts earn 6 to 10 lakhs per annum, while senior-level analysts can earn 11 to 19 lakhs or more. You can start by mastering Excel and SQL and then move on to learning Python. Pick up a visualization tool like Tableau or Power BI, work on real and actual projects to gain hands-on experience, build a strong portfolio showcasing your work, and start applying for jobs. The playlist to learn all these tools is available here on the I button. And if you want to learn data science and analytics with generative AI and gain hands-on experience with 35 plus real-world tools and projects, fill out the form in the description and speak to our expert counselors for further guidance. Start learning today and take your first step towards a data science and analytics career.